to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
Hey y'all, back with another style video. It's your girl Kiki and this is KISSIMMEE. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. We're starting on some freshly washed hair and it is soaking wet. I try to use this to kind of dry some of it, but it's still pretty wet, like that towel's soaking wet. But first things first, we're gonna oil our scalp and then we're gonna start. As you can see by the title, we're doing another curl video, but we're gonna be using these. My dog at the door. We're gonna be using these pipe cleaners, and so we're just going to be using the method that I saw on TikTok. A lady did it with some sister locks or micro locks. She has smaller locks, or they just might be small. I'm not sure, but she pretty much takes two, bend it in half, and then create like that loop effect. And so I've done these before, but I did not create the loop. I literally just bent them in half and then just curled my hair around it. But with the loop, you can stick your hair in there and it kind of like an anchor. And then I also saw some people when they were taking them down, it was easier to pull out. So that's what we're gonna do. I actually got a wire cutter as well because I don't want too much of the pipe cleaner sticking out because it does not match my hair. I had some ones that match more of my hair, but it's too bright and I feel like it would stick out at work. So this is going to be a video. I'm going to put these in, wear them all day tomorrow, and then I'll take them out tomorrow and then y'all can see the curls. But let's get into it. Like I said, I'm going to start by oiling and then we're just going to get it started. So you can either do your pipe cleaner curls with freshly retwisted hair or not, and I'm not, because I don't feel like retwisting my hair. I always refresh my roots whenever I do any kind of styling, so I'm gonna do that, but it's not gonna be like the most perfect parts except for in the front. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do middle part with curls or side part. I think I'm gonna do middle part because I just did a side part when it came to the lock bob that I had for my trip. Oh, thank y'all for reaching 500 subscribers. I really love y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with me and deciding to hit subscribe and joining the family. We're gonna have more coming here on the channel, and like I said, let's get into the styling. So this is what we're working with. I'm gonna actually leave this in tonight, and then all day tomorrow while I'm at work. It's not gonna be cute, but this is what it's gonna be. I think I'm gonna pin this. I wish I could pin, yeah. Maybe pin these. Now like I got, I don't know what this look like, but this is what we rocking for tomorrow. And I'm gonna wear it at work, and I don't care what nobody got to say, because nobody gonna say nothing to me. But yeah, so I'm gonna wear it all day tomorrow, and then I'm gonna take it out tomorrow evening, or maybe, yeah, tomorrow evening when I get off of work. I'll probably do it with y'all and then show y'all the final results of the curls. At that point, they've been in for 24 hours, so probably tomorrow night, actually. I don't know if I'm gonna take them out at night, because maybe I get up in the morning and then show y'all the final results. But this is the results of the twist. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for a little bit and then go to bed. Alright, so it's been like 2 nights, so I did it not last night but the night before. Left them in all day, and it is the next morning. It's 5:59 Thursday morning, so you'll see this video today. I woke up early this morning to get these off. So this is what they're looking like now that they've been in. Let me take the bobby pins that I had to pin these back out. Alright, y'all, so that is it for today's video. I love them now that they are separated. Giving curly tees. It's reminding me of Loose Natural. My hair was like in a cute little fro, maybe just like a twist out. It's giving everything it needs to give. My back always drops first, and that's just what it is. So here is my hair. Like I said, I enjoy the look. I love it. And that's it for today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know, have you ever tried flexi rods? Not flexi rods. Let me know if you ever tried pipe cleaner curls on your locks. And like I said, that's it for this video.